Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you trying to jump into a game of Modern Warfare 3 only to be hit with that frustrating device error 12502 message? Don't worry, this is a super common bug, especially after a new patch, and I'm going to give you a few quick surefire fixes for both PC and console so you can get back into actions fast. Let's dive in. Step 1. The classic restart. Before we do anything complicated, let's try the simplest solution. A good old-fashioned restart can solve a surprising number of software issues. For this, you're going to completely close out of the game and then restart your PC or console. This clears out any temporary memory glitches that might be causing the error. After your system is back up, try launching the game again. Sometimes that's all you need. Step 2. Verify and repair game files. If a restart didn't work, the next likely culprit is corrupted game files. A new update can sometimes cause files to become corrupt, leading to this device error. Luckily, both Steam and Battle.net have a built-in feature to fix this. On Steam, go to your library, right-click on Modern Warfare 3, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Battle.net, go to the Call of Duty game page, click the gear icon next to the play button, and select Scan and Repair. For console players, the process is a bit different but just as effective. You can go to your console settings, find the game's data, and look for an option to check for corrupted data or rebuild your console's database. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. This one is for all the PC players out there. Outdated graphic drivers are a very frequent cause of device errors and in-game crashes. You need to go to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Find the drivers for your specific GPU model and download the latest version. Install the new drivers, and then give your PC a final restart. Step 4. Run the game as administrator. Sometimes the game needs administrator privileges to properly access and write files on your PC. This can cause the game to crash if it doesn't have the permissions it needs. Find the Modern Warfare 3 executable file on your computer, right-click on it, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. This simple change can often resolve permissions-related device errors. There you have it. One of these fixes should get you back into the game and stop that device error 12502 for good. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Good luck out there, and I'll see you on the battlefield.